Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can resize the door hole to make it larger. Now if this hole is a little bit too small and you can see I cannot fit on the side here, I'm going to show you how you can make it bigger easily with a drill. Now you're going to need to get a drill and drill bits. This is the type of drill bits that you need. Now if you look carefully on the side here, you can see there are grooves. This will allow you to grind inside on the side to make the hole larger. Now in this video, I will not be focusing on this hole, but on the side of the door only. Okay, so with a drill plug-in, we can now make it larger. Now remember, you need to work on the bottom equally on the top as well. So drill some part on the bottom and some part on the top. Now every now and then, just keep checking to make sure that you drill enough and not make it too big. So just put this one in and make sure that you drill just enough. Okay, once you have drilled the hole big enough, you can now put this one in. And that should be able to fit in easily. So the tools that's going to make your job easy is this drill bit right here. You can see it has all this groove on the side, allowing you to make the hole larger. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.